What's going on, guys? Welcome back to more Slime Rancher 2. Got a couple things that we need to get handled out here today. I'd like to get a couple of achievements done. A couple of different things, though we don't have them quite yet. We did get these drone, as you can see in the top right corner, last episode. If you didn't check that out, go watch that. Let me feed the slimes real quick. Most of them should be pretty good. Let's see. As you see my money, I sold a bunch of our plorts just to get it out of the way. Just a whole crap ton of them. Let's throw these back in here. Just so they get collected. You guys are good. Let me grab these. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. You guys didn't go in at all because you're blocking the way. Goodness gracious. Throw these in here because I'll eat these up. Get out of there. Let's collect these for the butterflies. But we do have some calls we have to take too. But here, let's get one achievement just right out of the way. Ready? Pet the kitty kitty. Alright, actually, you know what? This little area seems kind of nice. I think it's over. Yeah. I also got one of these things, a novice Gordo trap. Alright, let's put it right there. Also, I realized this isn't what we needed. It's good to have, but we didn't need it. We have to get a cannon. And we have to literally use a link cannon to shoot that into there for one of the achievements. Which is insane. But, open drone station. Alright, let's see what this is going on. Wait, target. So wait. Program your drone on what to collect, its target, where it's looking, its source, and where it takes things, its destination. Once that's done, activate your drone and try it out. Don't I need... Hold on. I also need to get... Let's go down here. I have enough to make this thing. Drone archive key. So we need to get this anyways. I don't think it's for that. I think it's for a quest, but let's make it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm sure that's going to unlock a phone call. But let's see. Wait. They can be refueled by shooting plorts into the drone station fuel port. Try it out. I don't know what I want you to do. Guess you could take care of the elders. Moon dew. No way you can get moon dew. Honestly, if you could get moon dew, that'd be pretty dope. Though I don't really think I need it. What are these guys really good for? Gold plorts? Oh, you can like just make them free range? Let's do... Screw it. Let's have them feed from here. Yeah, why not? Let's go get some of the, I don't know, the puddle plorts. Because these guys make this passively, so this is easy. Where's your fuel on this one? Much better is that? Oh my, what? He's tweaking. 484%. He's tweaking. Okay, there's no heartbeats yet because I collected them, but let's see what these guys got. Oh my good, everybody needs to talk to me. I must tell you, I saw an item and it screamed Beatrix. Oh, you're just making me, giving me a gift? Yep. Okay. Didn't you say something a while back about wanting more stuff? Oh my god, everyone's just giving me gifts. Goodness gracious. Plasma thinking with good sauce and you icon monolithic structure out there on the far end of the island. Scary stuff. But maybe hunched. Something doesn't add up here, Beatrix. All the ruins we discovered across the far range have looked as though they have harmed the environment in any way. What? Sometimes you're out hiking to step over flour and not to crush it. Okay. It's gonna be a little bounce. It's not a guarantee. Look at me getting preachy on you. Lo siento, Beatrix. I won't keep you. Don't forget, you'll find beyond those walls. I trust your boots in any garden. I know you'll do what's right. Good luck, Beatrix. Okay. What you got, Dora? More gifts. An advanced Gordo. Ooh. Alright, Bob. You're the best. What do you want? Chickens is good. Oh, he doesn't have the chicken on his head anymore. Giving to friends. No. Chicken. Goodness gracious. Chickens. Okay. Let's see. I knew they were too full. Where'd the plorts go? Oh, it must have been bad. Just say, okay. One of the achievements is also buy 50 items from this place, which is insane. I think it's from Polestar. None of them are crazy expensive, but screw it, let's go on a buying spree. Getting expensive. Oh, there it is. Woo! Okay, that was getting expensive. Oh, these are the cannons I was talking about, by the way. So let's just buy them and see which one's the easiest to, because they're only 500 a piece. Let's see which one's the easiest to make. So let's go look at those. So that's the 2 achievements out of the way. Oh, Lord. A limited time offer. We also gotta make these. But I need hunter plorts. I must use them for something, I guess. So that is also something we're going to do today, is at least get that one open, which I believe is under the Flutter one. And see what the heck that opens. Warp Tech. Oh, that takes 3 lightning emotes though. I need those. Oh, these are all expensive. Alright, we'll wait to see what the other ones are. I really don't want to waste our lightning emotes. That'll be a last resort thing. Ember Valley. We can make one of those too. Well, we'll deal with that after. Let's go see what this thing has. And then we're gonna make that thing. Alright, cool. Made 2 of them. Warp Tech. Can't make any of these. Bought them for no reason. Perfect. What? That's adorable. I want to stand up. There we go. Alright, now off to the place. Let's go. It's here. Alright, let's see if we have enough. So, do I have to, like... Woo! There we go. Whoa! Door open. Alright, I'm so glad I brought two of them. Oh, monies. Bunch of stuff I need. Monies. Bunch of stuff I don't need. What in the heck? What? Alright, looks like we're going in, guys. Alright, whoa! What is this place? The Gray Labyrinth. Oh, there's achievements that need to be done here. What are you? What did that say? An opposing layer cake whose depths inside ancient prismatic secrets. What are you? No. Get your ass back here. Oh, I can't actually. Okay. I can't actually have you. Aqua glass. Aqua floor. If I jump across, how do I get back? More aqua glass. Heck yeah. Ah. What? Oh, they left. Whoa, okay, so I can, it looks like there's things I can jump across. Just got hit him. Oh, they're gone. What that? Don't know. Wonder if I can just map them before jumping down. Woo! Got him. Heck yeah. 9 of these shadow slime plorts. Ooh. Yeah. Can't not have the monies. Oh, can't definitely not have that monies. What the heck? Tiny petals. Bro, oh. Oh, 10 petals. Said tiny. Bro. So much good stuff. Alright. Yeah. What? Give me that bag. Give me that bag. Cooler boxes. Someone was here. Whoa! Who are you? Are you as me? Yeah, you don't look like me. It's you. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Hello, Beatrix. I mean, Miss LeBeau. I mean, Beatrix. Okay? Sorry, I just can't believe I'm talking to you right now. You're kind of a legend where I am from. I'm sorry. You probably have a million questions. I'm so sorry but I can only be so helpful. I'm in a position now where I need to manage what I'm doing here at all times until we can fix it. It's a very delicate work. So we'll need to keep our chats a little short. Okay, you seem to know, but this is the first time I've seen dialogue like that. I'm so sorry, I should have introduced myself. I'm Gigi. I'm a botanist, an explorer, and lately a makeshift expert on alien technology. I'm sorry that I didn't make myself known sooner, but I had to know for sure that you wouldn't be like the others, that you were someone I could trust. So you're the one that sent me the letter and the boat that brought me here? Yes, I can't do this alone, and you're the only person I believe who can help me. Help me with what? Help me save Rainbow Island, maybe even all of Far Far Range. You see, when I first came to Rainbow Island, I was so taken in with its beauty. It was unlike anything I had ever seen before, but I eventually discovered the beauty came at a price. Long ago, something from way out there in space crashed into what is now Rainbow Island, and slowly it began to change things. The rocks and cliffs blushed with color and then rippled with veins of the same prismatic hues that sprouted from the grasses and other flora. Even the atmosphere here has a kind of hyper color to it. It's everywhere. It's spreading from the thing from space. That thing I call the Prisma Core changes the properties of everything around it. It starts with color, but then material and elemental changes begin. How do we stop it? Traverse through the gray labyrinth and find me. I cannot leave my posts, but I can communicate with you with these devices as you find them. Once you find me, we can try to stop what is happening here. In the meantime, I'll do my best to answer any more questions as you think of them. But heck, even if you don't have any, it will just be a good chat with another human. It's been so long. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. Phosphor slimes. Angler slimes. Oh my goodness. Ooh, more glass. Water lettuce. Oh lord. And they're hunters, of course. Of course. Okay. I need an angler and a boom. Let's go get an angler. I'm guessing the boom's this way. Oh no. Oh, that's a long jump. I need a boom slime though. That had to be boom, right? More shadows. Oh, that one right there. Where are these booms at? Half pipe. I need boom. I'm guessing the water is just uncertain death. What in the heck? Where am I about to get boom slime? What do you do? There's a map note up there. Huh. Huh. Bro, where am I? Don't know what that is. Those are obviously two doors. Hey. Hydro turret. What? Oh. No, I need to go down and regain my stamina. Yeah. Excuse me. Monies. Excuse me. Monies. Also still don't know what you do. Like, it needs a plort of some sort, I'm assuming. No way. I'll hold on to him for now. What in the heck? More tin petals. Am I gonna need like a crap ton of shadow plorts to turn those dials? Bro, where am I going? Bruh. Labyrinth indeed. Unstable veggies. Hey, yo. Wait, do the shadows like it? No. Huh. Who likes these? But you know I'm gonna collect them all. Prison. Oh my god, unstable meat. Give me all of these. Cause I don't know what they do. But they seem important. Oh no, they just disappear. Okay. Twin. What? Twin. What? Twin slimes. Can create reality defying portals. Snag things from the environment. This is done to acquire tasty fruit. What? Twins. Rock slime. They like some kind of, what was it called? Twin. More unstable veggies. Unstable plorts. I do appreciate that they're just popping out of my inventory. I think that's hilarious. Is there something up there? Oh my goodness. Is this gonna phase out on me? Chickadoos. More of you. Die. Ow. How does one get to the top? Oh, probably like this. Any unstable fruits? Oh my goodness. What is going on? Thought I'd get some kind of fruit over here. I guess not. Ooh. Ah. So those make shadow slimes. I still haven't got that achievement. Okay, so that goes that way. What's going on? Oh, it's just slime. Bruh. I got 6 of you already. Okay. Isn't it beautiful? Despite everything, there's a part of me that is still happy to see it all again. Am I still inside the labyrinth? I was in a crazy room with strange lights and things got crazy. Huh? Can't believe it's total recreation. That's it. Let's go. It's actually bigger on the inside than on the outside. That's crazy. Not everything here will make sense at first, or maybe ever. So just do what you do best, explore, collect, and figure out what's best to navigate this place. Knowing your way around and understanding how things work here will prove I was higher. Excuse me. I was in a room with strange lights and things got crazy. When parts of the labyrinth get to shimmer and explode the radiant light, you need to watch out. I haven't seen that yet. Disruptions. So bursts are generated by the prismatic core. Prisma core. They come in waves, so learn to spot them. Okay. Alright. Still haven't found a boom. So I need boom and baddie. Just remember that. Once we ever get back to the house. Oh, that does. I jumped through it. Nope. Don't know what that does. Nope. Give me that back. Bro, what is going on? Oh my goodness, this place is huge. That's just her. Bruh. I think that's the fruit that they like. I haven't seen any grown yet. Or on the ground. Broski. Do they just grow as I jump down? Oh man. Oh, they're just pogos. What the hell are those? Those are support. Pogos. Unstables. Hey, about you? Have you watched the sunset inside the labyrinth? The darkness of the night creeps in yet. It's an illusion, or at least it has to be. Speaking of darkness, what's those shadowy slimes I've seen? Opposing polarity. I don't know what they're significantly created to someone. Still don't know if they were specifically created by someone to be this kind of opposite force or opposing force, or if they've evolved to be that way. You know how nature always seems to find a way. Is that a Jurassic Park reference? Either way, shuttle ports seem to provide a kind of dampening effect on Prisma disruptions. It's a long shot, but maybe they can somehow be used to negate the effect of the Prisma core. Got any Shadow Slime tips? They're slippery little foes, aren't they? Shadow Slimes will quickly flee from you or Prisma disruptions. So your best bet is to search areas where you've not recently been under the effects of the prismatic. That were not recently under the effects of Prisma disruptions. Once you do see a group of them, you need to sneak up on them and try to knock out as many ports as possible before they all flee. So be sure to bring some extra junk in your backpack just for that. Just don't go chasing one off a ledge or something. I'm definitely not speaking from experience there. Oof. Oh my goodness gracious. So I have 16. Let's see, I have 16, and let's see if that's even nearly enough. I legit have to turn it backwards. Oh my goodness. Sweet Lord. Okay, so... Oh! I'm gonna die. You damn rock slimes. Unstable port. Jesus. Stop hitting me. I feel like I need to go back. Any more shadow slimes? So just tabbies. What in the heck? What is this? What's that even do? No idea. And this light is clue. Ooh, I need that. Heck yeah. Another one? Bruh. Barely handling the one I got. What in the hell? This place is ridiculous. This place is absurd. Absurd. Who do you think built this place? Someone a long time ago. All the slime statues everywhere. But the labyrinth is different. I believe it was built with a specific purpose in mind. And what purpose is that? I think the plasma core was discovered long ago, and the labyrinth is actually a containment and research facility that was built around it. They couldn't stop the effects of the prismatic core, so they just tried to prevent it by affecting the rest of the far range while they looked for a solution. A self-sustaining ecosystem. I think this was to stimulate parts of Rainbow Island and see what the prismatic core would do to it over time. Outside of the labyrinth, you see mostly chromatic changes to the world, but inside, the effects are amplified. Elemental properties will shift entirely. See, water turns to glass, flowers turn to metal. It's dire. Alright. Where are you from, GG? I'm actually not too far from where you call home now, but we would have never crossed paths until now. I was born on the far range. It's my home, and it's all I've ever known outside of books. So when I first discovered Rainbow Island, I felt so genuinely new, like finding a secret in the room. Oh my goodness. But now, as though I've lived many lifetimes, my childhood was one of them, and my life on Rainbow Island another. And now I'm back. Well, I suppose that's another. It's getting fuzzy. I mean, the way I managed to get back, to get another chance to fix what is happening here, well, it wasn't your typical way of traveling, and now my head is always a little foggy, a little mixed up. The memories I have now feel rearranged, like they're out of order. Sometimes what I did yesterday feels so distant, like a half-remembered thing from my childhood. And those same childhood memories of mine will suddenly be crystal clear and sometimes feel even new. My earliest memory has always been sitting underneath our dining room table and watching my mom vacuum the living room. She didn't know I was there, and I just watched her. I remember that it was a hot day and she looked tired and upset about something. That used to be it, but since I came back, the memory has changed, and I'm still under the table, and she's still vacuuming. The day is hot, and she's still tired. But then she notices me, and her expression suddenly moves to surprising joy and stops what she's doing. She kneels down, and we talk about something, but I can't hear her own words, my own words. I just see her listening and smiling. And then her expression changes. She's still smiling, and she sees tears from the corner of her eyes. She's holding them back. And then she tells me that she is so sorry my grandmother never had the chance to meet me. She puts my hand on my shoulder and is about to say something else, but the comm station rings and it turns her head. I can't remember anything more after that. Oh my goodness gracious. Ooh. Get sniped. And they gone. They gone. Oh, getting one of those. Oh wait. Oh, that sucks. I need that. I don't need the carrots. I really should have made a portal of some sorts. Aren't they supposed to drop two? What happened to the other one? Broski. I also don't have one of those. But I am curious what it'll do. So maybe I can go get one. How much do I get back? Okay. Let's just get one of these real quick. I just got rid of all my carrots. Oh, there's one right here. Alright, let's see what this does. Oh my god, if I missed that. I hate this. What'd that do? Nothing? Probably. Okay. Nothing new to say. Glad I did that. I don't think I can even get high enough for that. I don't really want to risk it. But I think we're going to call it here for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. This place is crazy. But leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.